how to convert PDFs WPS writer files into how to convert WPS writer files into PDF without losing format. Now, if you want to convert a PDF without losing format, first of all, you click into the file. Let's pick the document and then click into the file. Then you are going to click on three icons at the right side corner. Okay, before we click into the file, we'll tap and hold the file, and then you're going to click on export to PDF. So this is the only way we can convert PDF without losing format for file on WPS PDF. You're welcome.